welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So today is January the 14th, not to be mistaken with January the 15th, which is Martin Luther King's birthday. Today is my birthday. I'm so excited, guys. I am 42 years old today. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys all of my secrets. Beauty secrets, of course. And if you want to watch and you want to know what these secrets are, then keep watching this video. Before we start with the beauty secrets, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the bonus tip right here, right now. The bonus tip is be happy, laugh, dance, and enjoy every moment of life. Yeah! It's my birthday. Hey, hey, hey. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Alright guys, so all of the silliness is gone, I promise, okay? So anyways guys, so the first thing I want to talk about, first off, before I even start, my face is dry. I just woke up, okay? So I need to put some lotion and moisturizer. So I need to moisturize my face, wash my face, and all of that. I literally just woke up. So yes, I know my face is ashy. So anyways, I'm gonna be washing my face as I'm talking to you guys. But anyways, so the first thing I want to mention is the whole black don't crack. You know, people say that all the time. You have to be very careful if you are a person of color, because we can crack if we don't take care of ourselves. So one of the first things that's so easy to crack us blacks is smoking and drinking. So if you are a smoker or a drinker, you really want to consider not smoking. Try quitting. If you don't smoke, please do not start smoking. Smoking is so addictive and it can really age you really quick. So smoking is a no-no, and heavy drinkers is definitely a no-no. Of course, you can have a glass of wine here and there, but you don't want to be like literally drinking every night, drinking with every meal. It's just not good for your liver and for your health, and that will really crack you. Okay, so smoking and drinking, we're already gonna get that out the way, so that way your black don't crack. All right guys, so I'm going to wash my face. Gonna wash my face with this. Moisturizing your face is so important, and this is my handy dandy moisturizer. I'm pretty basic when it comes to like the things that I put on my face. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and wash my face, and I'm going to just talk to you guys about my beauty secrets, okay? So when I was younger, one of the things that stood out to me as a young girl is that I noticed a lot of girls wear makeup. There's nothing wrong with wearing makeup at all. I just never liked the makeup because I don't know, it just didn't look good to me. I like makeup on other people, but I never really wore makeup. So tip I'm going to give you is that if you do decide to wear makeup, don't sleep in your makeup. You definitely want to remove that stuff, you know, before going to bed. So yeah, so that's one thing. There's nothing wrong with wearing makeup. If you want to wear makeup, just don't, you know, bathe in it and leave it on your face and all that, because that will age you. Okay, so that's makeup. Another thing is that you don't want to put too much chemicals on your face. Water is literally your best friend. Like, water is your best friend. The reason why I'm still rubbing this because I'm talking to you guys. But yo, when I was younger, I didn't really put a lot of soap on my face, to be honest with you guys. I would wash my face with mostly water. Like once a week or whatever, I'll give my face a deep wash with soap. And I remember people used to say, "That's gonna catch up with you." Where has it caught up with me yet? So anyways, yeah, water is your best friend when it comes to like your face. Your face is very sensitive. So yeah, and as I got older, I say like in my 30s, I started like really like washing my face with soap. But yeah, in my 20s, it was like once a week. I did a, you know, deep wash on my face. But other than that, I just use water, because water is just, it was my best friend for me anyways. For my face, that's what worked for me. Another beauty tip is your eyebrows. You gotta be careful with your eyebrows, because if you what is it, what people do, arch. If you arch your eyebrows too much, you may not get the fullness back when full eyebrows are in style. I remember, when was it, like back in the 90s, people will arch their eyebrows so thin, and now the ones that did that, they have to like have like microblading or tattooed eyebrows and all that stuff, which is crazy when God gave you beautiful full eyebrows and you kind of jacked them up. So yeah, keep your eyebrows nice and full. If you want to arch them, that's fine, but just keep the fullness, because full eyebrows always come back in style. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off my face. My eyes may be a little red because my eyes tend to do that when I wash my face with water. So don't ask me in the comments if I just smoke a blunt, because I don't smoke. Anyways, I'll be right back. So I just washed my face and it's really dry. I literally stripped all the oils off my face. So anyways, I have another tip for you. So another tip, you want to use a soft bristle brush when you brush your teeth. You don't want to use medium or hard, because that will eventually damage your enamel. So you want to use a soft bristle brush, and you want to brush your teeth at least twice a day, of course. You want to go to the dentist twice a year to get your teeth clean, and you definitely want to brush your tongue. I'm going to show you guys some tips on how I get all of, like, if I have a really white tongue, I'm going to show you the tips I use to really clean my tongue. Because if you don't brush your tongue, you have bad breath, and a lot of people don't realize that. And I know that a lot of us growing up was not told that, you know, brushing your tongue was important. It's like, brush your teeth, go in there and brush your teeth. But I don't know, a lot of parents did not really talk about brushing their tongue back in the day. So I'm telling you right now, brush your tongue. You may gag a little bit when you first start, but practice makes perfect. So just keep doing it until, you know, your gag reflex can handle it. So anyways, I'm gonna brush my teeth really quick. Toothpaste on there. And I like to use baking soda as well. Now, baking soda. Baking soda is not something you want to do all the time, but you can use baking soda on your teeth. It will not damage your teeth if you don't become obsessed. You know, I am a little obsessed though, but I know my limits. Like, I know when I need to just back off from the baking soda. But I love baking soda because it naturally freshens your breath, and it get rid of the bacteria and all of that. So yeah, I love baking soda. And one thing about baking soda and brushing your teeth, you do not want that baking soda touching your skin, because it would definitely dry out your skin and give your skin like a patchy white color, and you don't want that. Look at that, that looks so good. All right guys, so I brushed my teeth. I don't know if I mentioned this, just in case I didn't, you definitely want to go to the dentist. You want to go to the dentist twice a year to get your teeth professionally cleaned by a dental hygienist. Now let's talk about the tip on the tongue. Like I said, it's so important to brush your tongue. Throughout the years, I'm like so a fanatic about like oral hygiene. Throughout my dating years, I literally taught my boyfriends how to brush their tongue, floss, and go to the dentist, because it's such a pet peeve. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys a trick on how to use hydrogen peroxide 3% to really get your tongue nice and pink. We want a pink tongue, not a white one. So here we go. So it's really simple. Also, if you have not watched my video on how to get rid of bacteria infection with hydrogen peroxide, you might want to watch it. You could watch this video after this video. I'll link it at the end. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys how I use hydrogen peroxide to really give my tongue a deep clean. So basically, you can kind of pour it in your mouth if you want to, or you could, like, you know, pour it into a glass and just dip your toothbrush. You only need a little bit. So I'm gonna just pour it onto my toothbrush. Ooh, I have some on the floor, but it's okay. Just, you know, just for the vid. You can even use a little bit of baking soda on your tongue as well, and a little bit of toothpaste, and it just gives your tongue a fresh smell as far as like the toothpaste and the baking soda. I love fresh breath. I know, kind of weird, but I love it. Now you want to floss. Some people say, do you floss before you brush, after you brush? It really doesn't matter, long as you floss every single day. Floss is so important. It really gets that bacteria between the teeth and residue, food, debris, whatever the case may be, that's still left behind after brushing. So definitely floss. You want to take that floss, wrap around that tooth, make a C, go up and down twice, go to the other neighboring tooth, do the same thing, create a C, up and down twice, and you're done. And you just do that with your whole entire mouth. I like to just take a piece of floss, nothing crazy, and I just wrap it between my two fingers like this, and then I just start flossing. And then I will like look at the floss, see if there's any blood, see if there's debris, remove that and continue on, you know, wet it with some water, maybe move it around or whatever the case may be. I do like to look at my floss because I just want to see, do a particular area need more attention? Am I bleeding in that area? Do I need to floss more often? Am I missing that area with my toothbrush? So I like to examine my floss when I floss. I wash my face and brush my teeth. My favorite thing in the world to use is olive oil. Like, I love olive oil. Just give me some olive oil and I'm good. Like, I love olive oil. So I'm just gonna show you guys really quick. So yeah, I like to rub it on my skin right after the shower. Like, it's really good for the skin. So I love me some olive oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on my face. If you have oily skin, you definitely want to skip this, right? You don't want to put this on your face if your face is oily. But olive oil is so good for the skin. And you know what else is really good for the skin? Is sun. You don't want to like be out in the sun working all day without sunscreen. But if you work like in an office setting or you work from home, you definitely want to get out in the sun and, you know, no sunscreen, and just let the sun soak up your skin. It's really good for your skin. All right, so now I'm going to put some moisturizer on my face, and I love this stuff. It's not expensive, and it gives my face exactly what it needs. Give my face that nice soft look, and the olive oil just give it a nice little, you know, sheen to it, but it softens my skin as well. I love the two together. And if you are not getting enough sleep, or say you work nights and your schedule is just a little crazy, you want to moisturize under your eyes as well before going to bed, and that will help that as well. So yeah, just moisturizing my face. Love Vaseline on the lips as well. So I love it. I love it. I love it. All right guys, so you see me moisturize my skin. Pretty simple. Now let's just talk about my hair. So I keep my hair pretty simple as well. I'm just on a simple regimen. So I wash my hair like maybe once a month, twice a month. It just depends. And I only wash my hair with shampoo. I retwist my hair 2 to 3 times a year because if I over twist it, I feel like my hair would get thin. So yeah, I just keep it really simple. So that's the hair. What else can we talk about, guys? So let's talk about getting some activity in, some exercise. You don't have to go to the gym and work out 2 hours a day, but exercising is very important. It could be walking or just doing some light exercise. Keeping yourself active is always important. Of course, you want to drink water. And let's talk about diet. So over the years, I feel like diets don't work. I feel like you just need to eat in moderation. Okay, you can have your candy, your sweets, or whatever. Just do everything in moderation and just don't eat everything that you see. You never want to be on a seafood diet, but you definitely want to, you know, just keep it simple. Because diets usually don't work. I remember when I was 20 years old, there was this crazy diet going around. I think it was the Metabolite. It was like a pill that you take. And I took that and I literally almost had a heart attack. The thing was like pumping so much to my heart. It was crazy. So personally, I feel like diets don't work. Just eat in moderation, exercise, and drink water. All right, so those are my main beauty tips. Another tip I have, this is my favorite tip, is peace of mind. Peace of mind. Don't let no person or no relationship take away your peace, your joy, your happiness. That right there can age you. That right there can really do a number on you and can really age you. I protect my peace at all costs. Like if I am talking to someone and I feel like that person is toxic, I'm just gonna cut them out. If I'm having a conversation with you and you're constantly gossiping, I'm gonna cut you out. If you're always complaining and you're never happy and you like literally, I feel dark when I talk to you. Every time I talk to you, I feel dark. I'm cutting you out of my life. I do not do the toxics. I can't do toxic. I just cannot do it. Yeah, so anyways, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy the tips. Let me know what tips you have as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Guys, I'm 42. I can't even believe it. But anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. So anyways, I'm 42. Ma'am, how old are you? I'm 42. Yes, 42. I'm officially a cougar. I'm just joking.